So you have video files that you can watch, but Resolve is not letting you import them in timeline or media pool. Cope with me and you'll be good to go in no time. Don't worry about my desk, we're not here to clean it, and remember that this desk is the best it can be as it is for any professional video editor, and those guys that you're looking all this time with clean desks and the IKEA plants on it, those are YouTubers. They have plenty of time setting the desk to be cool, not me. Okay, let's do some work. For fixing this problem, we need two apps. First one is Resolve and second one is VLC Media Player. You can download it for free. Now we are in the edit page in Resolve and there are no clips on my timeline. There are no clips in my media pool. Let's import some clips. Here I got two clips, both of them, as you can see, are WebM files. So they are not MP4s, they are not MOV files, they are WebM files. And that is why Resolve can't let you drag those files on the timeline or the media pool. That is because those type of files are not recognized by Resolve. They are not supported. Resolve is saying to you, hey, I don't want uninvited guests in my house. Now in my other folder, I got exact same two video clips, except these two are MP4s. And as you can see, because they're MP4s, Resolve is letting you import them in the media pool. So what do we have to do? We need to convert file that is not supported into MP4 or any file type that is supported by Resolve. Let's do that. Follow me step by step. Remember VLC Media Player from the start, open it. In the top left corner, select Media. Now get the mouse lower and select Convert/Save. Now click Add and find clip on your computer that you need to convert. You found it, double click it. Now click on Convert. A new window opened up. In this drop down menu there are a lot of options of files and formats you could convert, but all you need to do is select, as I'm doing here, select the first option in the drop down menu, and that is H.264 plus MP3. Now click on Browse and choose Destination folder. Give your clip a name and click on Save. Now all you have to do is select Start. And that's it, you've done your job. Now VLC Media Player is converting file. It should not take a long time. The longer the clip is, the more time it takes to convert it. My clip is 10 minutes long, so it will take 2-3 minutes to convert it, but I'll fast forward it. While this is converting, use that time to subscribe to my channel. Support me by subscribing. You're helping to hire someone to clean this desk. Well, now the process is done. Let's see a clip now. And there is a clip of this long beard man is converted, and now it says that this is MP4 file. Let's drag it into Resolve and kaboom, it's working. See you next time.